Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that creates three-dimensional objects by building them up layer by layer from a digital design file. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often cuts away material, 3D printing adds material only where it's needed, making it incredibly efficient. The most common type of 3D printing is called fused deposition modeling, or FDM. This works by melting a plastic filament and depositing it in precise layers until the object is complete. Other popular methods include stereolithography, which uses UV light to cure liquid resin, and selective laser sintering, which fuses powdered materials using a laser. The materials used in 3D printing have expanded enormously. We now print with plastics, metals, ceramics, carbon fiber composites, and even biological materials called bioinks, which are being used to print human tissue and experimental organ structures. The applications are extraordinary. In medicine, custom prosthetics and surgical implants are being printed to match individual patients perfectly. In aerospace, companies like NASA and SpaceX use 3D printed components in rockets. The construction industry is printing entire houses, and the fashion world is producing printed clothing and accessories. As of 2025, the global 3D printing market is valued at over $20 billion and continues to grow rapidly. Desktop printers are now affordable for everyday consumers, while industrial machines push the boundaries of what's physically possible. Challenges still exist, including print speed, material limitations, and quality consistency, but ongoing innovation is steadily overcoming these barriers. 3D printing is truly reshaping how we design, manufacture, and think about physical objects. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.